So hey everyone and welcome or welcome back to another episode of the Sankalp Show. So in today's video we have Sumit Kumar. Now he's a 19-year-old guy with a lot of freelance experience in graphic designing. He specializes in thumbnail designing for YouTube content creators. Sumit Kumar is the founder and CEO of Nifty Media. He and his firm has worked with some of the top creators of India, and the whole discussion also focused on how you can actually make your thumbnails stand out. So if you're a fellow YouTuber who is watching this, this episode is a gold mine for you. Now, along with that, in this particular episode, we have also dissected onto my channels and the thumbnails that I have designed for my own particular video. So make sure that you do not miss that particular part. That was really kind of Sumit in order to judge my YouTube thumbnails and all. And this podcast episode thumbnail is also designed by him. So kudos to that as well. So if you like the thumbnail, do comment down Sumit OG. All right. So yeah, with this, I hope you guys will enjoy the further conversation. Whatever are your views, agreement, disagreement, whatever is there, just comment it down. And now make sure that you like, share, subscribe, and do all those jargons which are required by the YouTube. So enjoy. So first of all, welcome Sumit on the podcast. It's really a pleasure to have you here.
Hi, hi. Yeah,
Yeah, so just give us a little bit of brief introduction about yourself and what do you do, where are you from, and all that.
actually, I am 19-year-old boy and I'm in the doing BTech. तो मैं mostly typical engineer type कि parents बोलते कि अरे आप engineer हो ये कर लो वो कर लो तो मैं second year में हूँ BTech की.
All right.
And apart from this, I also run my agency basically which provides YouTube thumbnails to the creators. And right now we are working with India's top creators.
Yeah. That is what we have understood from your LinkedIn profile as well. So
Hmm.
first of all, like we connected through LinkedIn, right? Like I got to know about
Yeah.
your content through LinkedIn and all. So first of all,
Hmm.
how would you optimize? How have you optimized your LinkedIn in order to get leads? And that too for a graphic designing, I would say profile, right?
Okay, so I started using my LinkedIn when I saw Ishan Sharma video, and he was in the video ki go make your content on LinkedIn. It is the best platform. This.
Yeah.
So I started making. So I post some random shit back then. Ki okay, I'll just post ki this was my design. This is this.
Mm-hmm.
After that, I got to learn a little bit about how LinkedIn algorithm works, how you can get more audience, how you can approach people, how you can use LinkedIn to DM people.
Mm-hmm.
So yeah, also about talking about the LinkedIn, the main thing of the LinkedIn is you need to be consistent on that. Especially, it can be anything.
Mm-hmm.
You can post anything of your work. Okay, as a graphic designer, you can not just designer, you can share what you learn. Like if you are a designer, you can share your work. If you are an editor, you can share your portfolio. Like this was a video I edited.
Mm-hmm.
If you are a content writer, you can share your work. You can simply use LinkedIn to show as a showcase your work. Ki, this is what I am, and this is what I am doing.
Mm-hmm.
This is the best you can do. And especially for graphic designer, you can share your carousels.
Mm-hmm.
You must have seen that key five best fonts,
Yeah.
these kind of things. You can definitely try that. But how I got my engagement is typical way. I just randomly created few thumbnails.
Mm-hmm.
Scroll down on YouTube and I randomly just selected few YouTubers. I redesigned their thumbnail and I
Mm-hmm.
posted that.
Yeah.
And that
I saw
worked
those
pretty well
posts
for
by
me.
the way.
Yeah,
Yeah.
that worked pretty well for me because
Hmm.
the first thing I got clients.
Hmm.
Second, I got some good engagement because no one was doing that around thumbnails. Mostly
Hmm.
people were doing around designs, Figmas, and all.
Instagram pro those carousels and all, right?
Yeah,
Yeah,
yeah.
yeah.
So I was maybe first one or in the top person to do start this. Right
Mm-hmm.
now, you can see that there are a lot of thumbnail designer as well, lot of
Mm-hmm.
creators as well. But at this point, if I would say ki you should be on LinkedIn,
Mm-hmm.
I'd say no.
Okay.
You need a better platform. And at this point, I think you can use Twitter. It's
Hmm.
much better if you really want your work, if you really want to get clients.
Mm-hmm.
Twitter is much better right now than LinkedIn.
Mm-hmm. All right. So, and why do you say this? Like, what is the exact reason? Because the platform of Twitter and LinkedIn, they work in a very different manner, right? So,
Yeah.
what works for people on LinkedIn might not work for people on Twitter, and vice versa can also be true. So, why is
It can be true for LinkedIn might work for some people, but the thing is, na, कि LinkedIn is full of so many. typical engineers, so many typical designers, so many random posts. तो वो filled up हो चुका है इससे.
Okay.
The main thing is Twitter has less audience, so
Hmm.
you can directly DM people.
अच्छा.
I have DM around 1 million followers, YouTubers,
Hmm.
and they reply.
Hmm.
So you can use Twitter to just DM them. Plus, you can build better connections there.
Hmm.
LinkedIn is like motivational content now. You'll always go through one motivational post, one
Yeah, yeah,
motivational, तो वो
absolutely.
काफी niche down हो चुका है.
You
वहाँ
know,
पे बहुत audience है.
yeah, like पहले when I started out with social media, Quora was a platform that was actually used as a question answer platform, right? But as soon
Hmm.
as I left और जब मैंने शुरू किया था लिखना और अच्छे से मतलब जब मेरे को आराम से 1-2 साल हो गए थे, then it turned out to
Hmm.
be the same thing, like as you told कि LinkedIn जैसे motivational ज्ञान डालने वाला platform बन गया है,
Yeah,
right?
yeah, yeah,
So
yeah.
that's how the platform changes, and I believe कि Twitter के साथ भी but time लगेगा, but maybe that will also eventually
Huh,
work out,
that's the
right?
thing. Now people evolve.
Yeah.
People usually evolve. First, we used to make content on Facebook.
Yeah,
Then now we
yeah,
shifted to Instagram, now Twitter, now Reddit, and all.
yeah,
So
yeah.
people evolve. You need to see ki what's in the trend and what will come in future.
Mm-hmm.
That's the thing.
Yeah. So moving on, Sumit, I have also observed from your LinkedIn profile that before starting out an agency, right, you worked as a freelancer for
Yeah.
majority of your time, right? So how did that
Hmm.
started out on and especially when we see that there is a lot of competition in graphic designing and that too in freelancing, right? So how did you stand out and how did you like manage everything?
When I just finished my class 12,
Mm-hmm.
so I started figuring out मैं क्या कर सकता हूँ.
Mm-hmm.
So I started learning about SEOs. I started learning about graphic design, Figmas,
Hmm.
and Google's everything. I started learning everything. जो भी मैं मुझे लगता है कि हाँ वीडियो एडिटिंग हो गया, यूट्यूब, हाउ यूट्यूब वर्क, हाउ इंस्टाग्राम वर्क, हाउ सोशल मीडिया मैनेजमेंट वर्क. तो मैं बहुत सारी चीजें ट्राई कर रहा था एक पॉइंट के बाद. And I got to know about Internshala, which is
Mm-hmm.
basically a platform which provides internships.
Yeah, yeah,
So
yeah.
मैंने वहाँ पे I made a basic profile there and
Mm-hmm.
I applied. I literally applied as much as I can.
Mm-hmm.
मैंने एक दिन में 10 कंपनी 20 कंपनी में अप्लाई करा. Just apply, nothing. I have no experience. I have no portfolio, nothing. I just
Mm-hmm.
applied कि हाँ आप मुझे ये कर लो वो कर लो. And the price internship was amount was something around vary between 1,000 to 3,000
3,000
rupees.
at max, yeah.
हाँ एट मैक्स.
Yeah,
आई जस्ट
yeah.
लिटरली हर जगह अप्लाई कर दिया कि ओके मे बी आई गेट अ चांस. सो
Mm-hmm.
वहां से मुझे एक इंटर्नशिप मिली 1,000 पर मंथ की.
अच्छा.
सो आई गॉट दैट. फ्रॉम दैट आई लर्न सो मैनी थिंग कि अच्छा ये कर सकते हैं ऐसे कर सकते हैं. इन दैट 1 month or 2 month आई डिड दैट इंटर्नशिप फॉर अराउंड 2 months
Mm-hmm.
and I got learn so much thing in the past in the those 2 months.
Mm-hmm.
वहां पे मुझे बहुत एक्सपीरियंस हो गया. उसके बाद अपार्ट फ्रॉम दैट आई फिर मैंने बहुत अप्लाई किया. फिर मैं थोड़ा सा बजट बढ़ा दिया कि इंटर्नशिप से 5 से 10,000 के बीच में इंटर्नशिप. द
सही है.
मेन थिंग वाज कि generally the success rate is 1%.
Mm-hmm.
Like if you apply for 10 companies, you'll get a chance to just get interview in one
In one
company.
company, yeah, absolutely.
Success rate generally 1%. तो मैंने 100 companies में apply करा. So that
Mm-hmm.
I got internship in 10 companies.
Mm-hmm.
So ये होता है. Most people think कि oh I'll just apply in 2 companies, 3 companies. Maybe that will work for you, maybe that would not. So I just applied as much I can. So
Mm-hmm.
उसमें से मुझे कुछ मिला कि हाँ इस 1% चांस है मेरे को इसमें मिल जाएगा.
Mm-hmm.
वहां से मुझे लगता है कि हाँ थोड़ा सा बिल्डअप वहां से हुआ.
Yeah, okay. So, वही बात है कि
एंड
like
उसके
you
बाद से
eventually
हाँ
grow
आई
up, right?
स्टार्ट.
हाँ हाँ.
हम्म. और जो मेन थिंग है ग्रो करने का, आई स्टार्टेड लर्निंग अबाउट डिफरेंट सॉफ्टवेयर एज वेल. सो
Mm-hmm.
आई स्टार्टेड विद कैनवा, देन फिग्मा, देन
Photoshop.
नहीं नॉट फोटोशॉप. आई वाज
अच्छा.
वेरी मे बी अगेंस्ट फोटोशॉप. आई से कि मैं बहुत इट वाज वेरी टफ फॉर मी कि ओ देयर आर
Okay.
सो मेनी लेयर्स इतने सारे लेयर्स. तो मुझे लगता था लिटरली कि फोटोशॉप कैसे चलाऊंगा मैं.
Uh-huh.
आई तो मैं आई स्टार्टेड विद कैनवा, फिग्मा, देन सम अदर सॉर्ट ऑफ फोटोपी एंड ऑल. तो
Mm-hmm.
उसके बाद लास्ट में जाके मैंने जंप करा फोटोशॉप पे.
Mm-hmm.
मैं एक साल तक लिटरली इंटर्नशिप करा था
Canva
मोस्टली
based on
कैनवा से.
Canvas से. Okay, yeah.
एंड
All
कैनवा
right.
इज अ गुड टूल. यू कैन डेफिनेटली यूज
Absolutely.
इट नाउ आल्सो.
Mm-hmm.
इट्स अ गुड टूल. उसके बाद मैंने क्या आई से another thing which I did which worked for me was social media branding.
Mm-hmm.
I started posting content regularly कि okay look what I am doing now, what I am doing now. तो
Mm-hmm.
मैं just अपनी learning share करता था कि मैं अब
Okay.
ये सीख रहा हूँ. I'm trying this, I am trying this. Maybe आई स्टार्टेड सम रैंडम चैलेंजेस, तो मैं हमेशा
Mm-hmm.
बीच में कुछ ना कुछ करता रहता था कि कभी ये चैलेंज हो गया, कभी ये चैलेंज, तो
अच्छा.
उस वजह से मेरी काफ़ी इम्प्रूवमेंट भी हुई थी उसकी वजह
Great,
से।
great, great, great. And eventually, you started out with your company as Nifty Media, right? Yeah, like you are a
हम्म
CEO and co-founder of the same, right? So,
हम्म
what does that company really do, and uh, what exactly is the scenario?
It's pretty simple. We just provide thumbnails to
Mm-hmm.
YouTube creators.
Okay,
Nothing complicated, nothing much. Just YouTube thumbnails.
thumbnails.
We don't provide video editing service. We don't provide SEOs.
All
Just
right.
YouTube thumbnails. That's it.
And how did you decided that like graphic designing itself is a very vast, I would say, platform and or a, I
Hmm.
would say a career option as such, right? So how did you
Hmm.
decided that you hold the expertise in making YouTube thumbnails and nothing more than that or nothing less than that?
ओके, आई से आई गॉट लकी। मैं जब इंटर्नशिप कर रहा था, सो आई हैव लॉट ऑफ वर्क कि ओ ये डिज़ाइन कर दो,
Mm-hmm.
इन्फोग्राफिक्स ये बना दो, वो बना दो। सो आई ट्राइड एवरीथिंग। आई हैव मेड इन्फोग्राफिक्स,
Mm-hmm.
इलस्ट्रेशंस, बैकग्राउंड्स, थंबनेल्स, एवरीथिंग।
Mm-hmm.
सो समहाउ आई गॉट फ्यू क्लाइंट्स जिन्होंने कहा कि कैन यू मेक थंबनेल्स? आई सेड ओके, आई ट्राई।
Mm-hmm.
So I made few thumbnails, then I gave them around 50 to 20, 50 thumbnails उनको दिए थे।
Mm-hmm.
I was like कि okay, in Instagram post I'm not getting any result.
Mm-hmm.
Like if I shared any Instagram post, I'll just say कि okay, इस पे इतनी engagement आई, ये आई।
Mm-hmm.
I'm not getting instant feedback कि हाँ this works, this
This
doesn't.
doesn't. Okay.
In YouTube की you'll automatically get replies, feedback कि अच्छा this is working for you, this is not working। तो वो
Mm-hmm.
एक feedback वाला loop मुझे YouTube thumbnail में दिखा कि हाँ इसमें feedback मिल रहा है।
Okay.
जो चीज़ काफ़ी मुझे व्हाट आई वाज सेइंग इंकरेज कर रही थी कि हाँ यार इस सब ट्राई कर सकते हैं।
Mm-hmm.
तो एंड देन आई कंप्लीटली शिफ्टेड टू थंबनेल्स कि हाँ और सीखते हैं और सीखते हैं और सीखते हैं। फिर मैं मोर
अच्छा.
आई एक्वायर मोर क्लाइंट्स ऑन थंबनेल्स।
Mm-hmm.
देन आई गॉट आइडिया कि हाँ आई थिंक दिस आई कैन डू।
All right. So, like thumbnails, like if we move more into this whole thing, right? And what I have been like doing things on YouTube and I design my own thumbnails. And I must say that I have also evolved with the requirement of the industry, right? So, first of all, tell me that how does a thumbnail really stand out? Like all these big YouTube creators, they are on a constant hustle of making better and better thumbnails, right? So how does or what is a particular thing that makes a thumbnail stand out?
Okay, I'd say like there's a big myth in the market that thumbnail can really change your YouTube engagement. This is truly false. I run my YouTube with thumbnail agency, which typically based on this fact कि
Okay.
okay, your thumbnail can change your YouTube channel। ये ऐसा नहीं होता है।
Acha.
If your content is good, then we can just give you some boost.
Hmm.
We can't just give you कि if your content is very bad or not watchable,
Hmm.
you can try whatever you like कि thumbnails में ये डाल दो वो डाल दो, but
Hmm.
views नहीं आएंगे।
Hmm. Hmm.
The main thing is your content need to be good।
Hmm.
उसके बाद if your content is good, then
Then
we can
thumbnails can be
boost your
compromised,
engagement।
right?
हाँ,
Thumbnails
वो
can be
उसमें
compromised.
I have seen lot of creators with
Yeah.
bad thumbnails, literally very bad thumbnails, just one photo and text, but they have
Yeah.
got around million views। Why?
Yeah.
Because their content is good।
Yeah.
You need to make better content। अगर
Okay.
content अच्छा नहीं होगा तो फिर तो there is no point of having good thumbnails।
All right. All right. Great. But then
But if you
also,
really want,
yeah.
if you
Yeah.
really want to have a thing like how can you make perfect thumbnails, there are few points that you can try in your thumbnail. Like you can try adding some trending topics, you can
Mm-hmm.
try adding some trending image
Mm-hmm.
in your thumbnail, and you can try having a better picture. Right now in India mostly, if your thumbnail looks pixelated and very dull type, तो वो catchy नहीं रहेगा attention। You need
Mm-hmm.
something कि audience का सबसे पहला first thing is audience is eyes, your
Oh,
face।
okay.
even if you have a face value or not,
Mm-hmm.
people see your face कि अच्छा ये बंदा trustworthy लग रहा है या नहीं।
Acha,
there's
okay.
so many random channels हैं जहाँ पे आपका random photos वो अपना ही यूज करते हैं। they are not
Mm-hmm.
popular, but their
Mm-hmm.
face value से लोग क्लिक कर लेते हैं कि हाँ यार
Mm-hmm.
ये trustworthy लग रहा है। तो face first thing, audience sees your face।
Mm-hmm.
second thing is the text।
Okay.
I have seen this कि in India it's text is most important thing।
Mm-hmm.
like if you look at the Mr. Beast type thumbnails or any other foreign creators, they
Mm-hmm.
don't use text at all, or they use just minimal text की one word,
One
that's
word
it।
and all.
But in India you'll see so many creators using too much text कि if you
Mm-hmm.
especially in the education segment कि
Yeah.
ये कर लो ऐसे कर लो इस टाइप से कि
Mm-hmm.
हाँ। तो इंडिया में टेक्स्ट इम्पोर्टेंट है,
Acha.
I,
Okay.
you can say that people are dumb. They just need to read text. They need to read text. So
Hmm.
you can try change having some better captions in your thumbnails.
All right. All right.
Maximum 4 words, not
Hmm.
more than that.
Yeah. Yeah, even
And another,
like when I design thumbnails for my videos as well, even I believe that like minimal amount of text can actually work out in a better way as compared to like as you said that at max there should be only 4 words, and I completely agree to that. And in my thumbnails, I only try to I mean, I only try to put at max 2 or 3 text areas, right? Because एक तो जगह भी नहीं बचती है पूरे थंबनेल पे, एंड देन उसको लाइक इट डज नॉट बिकम कैची इन द फर्स्ट प्लेस, राइट? सो is that the same thing that happens with you as well?
yeah, sometimes it happens with me also. Ki sometimes I need to have some more text to give audience
Mm-hmm.
context. But in that case, I use images. I
Okay.
just use images to show ki what's in the video.
Mm-hmm.
It's much better option, no? Ki if you are having mostly, if you are having a documentary type style of video,
Mm-hmm.
then you can use images to show what's inside the video.
Mm-hmm.
Let's do it now. Are you on your laptop right now?
Yes, yes, of course.
Can you screen share your channel? We'll just
All
see
right,
this.
great. Just I don't know. I feel very embarrassed on like doing this.
No, no, this is good.
Like these are some of the popular videos like they which went good. I mean, I don't know in your
Okay,
yeah.
I can see your last 3 videos. You can go to most recent one. Na? These are older
Yeah,
ones, right?
these are the recent videos.
You can see Ganga
Ganga
thumbnail,
Aarti and all.
exams,
Yeah, yeah.
travel, Haridwar. Thumbnails are good. One word thumbnail. You are using one word. But right now, for me, it is looking bit cluttered. Why
Okay.
am I saying cluttered?
Mm-hmm.
Because mostly na thumbnails very बहुत tightly pack है.
Okay.
This is a vlog, na? These two
Yeah.
traveling one
Yeah,
135.
this
So
exams, everything is vlog except this one, the creator of Kit and all. This is a podcast.
so in typical vlog thumbnail, the what works in vlog thumbnails is
Mm-hmm.
where you are going. You need to show that, like you have written traveling 1,135 kilometer in train before the accident.
Mm-hmm.
This is your title,
Yeah.
and the thumbnail shows just you taking your selfie and the word saying travel.
Mm-hmm.
There's nothing intriguing in it. Look, how can
Okay.
I make it more intriguing? The first thing, you have traveled 1,135 kilometer.
Mm-hmm.
That number is interesting. People
Mm-hmm.
know कि अरे 1,135 kilometer. This
Mm-hmm.
is intriguing. So rather than using travel, you can use that word 1,135 kilometer. And what works in mostly blog thumbnails na, कि
Mm-hmm.
you need to show where you are going,
Mm-hmm.
whether it's a destination or journey. You need to show that कि, oh, I'm going there. You can have a picture of a train. You can just use a random stock images
Okay.
and put it there in your background की long train
Mm-hmm.
in a perspective view. क्योंकि perspective view में क्या होता है, you can have a lot of information in perspective view,
Okay.
and you can add some more people in the background, just give a little bit blur,
Mm-hmm.
and your face just standing. Maybe you can have some sad face, shocking face, to show that you have traveled 1,135 kilometer, and that's pretty tiring.
Okay.
These things can show emotions कि अच्छा यार इस बंदे ने 1,000 किलोमीटर ट्रैवल करा है एंड नाउ ही
Mm-hmm.
इज टायर्ड ऑन दिस एंड दिस, उसके बाद एक्सीडेंट. तो वो एक क्यूरियोसिटी क्रिएट करता है. फर्स्ट थिंग इज ट्रेन, सेकंड
Mm-hmm.
थिंग इज टू मच ऑडियंस, एंड you'll add the text 1,000, so वो भी interesting है. And
Mm-hmm.
your face, maybe you can use shocking or some
Mm-hmm.
other text tiring, तो जो show करे कि हाँ बंदा ट्रैवल कर रहा है तो उससे ये consequences है, तो इसके
Mm-hmm.
बाद क्या हुआ, I need to watch.
Acha. Okay.
And instead of title, using this title, traveling 1,035 kilometer in train before the accident,
Mm-hmm.
you can just use this travel 1,000 kilometer in train, but this happens.
Mm-hmm.
Question mark.
Acha.
This will make audience की अरे ऐसा क्या हो गया कि
Mm-hmm.
he travel 1,035 kilometer, but ऐसा क्या होगा कि इसने इतना दूर travel करा, या फिर this uh, something bad happen. You can use something like this to create
Mm-hmm.
curiosity in audience mind.
Mm-hmm.
Got it.
Great, great.
And also in your third thumbnail, next thumbnail, living alone for exams at KIT
University,
University.
yeah.
This is good. Um, this is actually good.
Oh,
I'll say कि you, if you are showing your exam, you are really sad, you are using KIT logo. This is
yeah.
good. You can just have a little. soft background of your books,
Okay.
lots of books. You can have a pile of books in your background to show that
Hmm.
how much you have to study.
Hmm. That can be done. Yeah. All right.
So these are few
Great.
things that I think you can try.
Hmm. What about this one, like the Kit MUN one? Because I took a lot of efforts in this one.
KIT winning KIT International Model Automation.
Also,
This
Samir
is
Raina
good,
was
but
there in the conference, so that is why I like put
do
him
you have
in
a
the.
picture of you with Samir Rana?
No, 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 not exactly. If I
You
would
can
have
use
that, yeah.
you can use a better you can just use a two-face thumbnail, like at one side there's a Samir
Okay.
and
Mm-hmm.
on the other side just you
Hmm.
taking a certificate or whatever you have got after winning,
Okay,
just
okay.
this,
All
and that
right.
K triple IT
Mm-hmm.
logo, or maybe
Mm-hmm.
you can have just that in the background. That's it.
Mm-hmm. All right, all right. Great, man.
You can use the text finally won.
हाँ हाँ
People would
हाँ.
say, oh, you have put so much effort, then now you have won this.
Got it, got it. इस वाले पॉडकास्ट का यार तुम ही बना देना.
Yeah, I would definitely do that.
I mean, yeah,
You
if
can share photo. I would definitely
yeah,
do
yeah,
that.
जो भी तुम्हें चाहिए, like whatever you require, just let me know. ठीक है, and I'll,
Hmm.
I mean, I would request you highly because
Yeah, yeah.
great
It's not
analysis.
that I was about to say that. क्योंकि usually I जिसके साथ भी मैं podcast करता हूँ मैं share कर देता हूँ कि
अच्छा
you
अच्छा,
can share
great.
your video. I'll just make a thumbnail for you.
Great, great. Thank you so much for that. So let's go ahead. Let's move on. Okay. So जैसे हम लोगों ने देखा कि like entire YouTube space में like 5 years back. Okay, like when I started out with YouTube and all, when I initially started out, right? So जो thumbnail बनाने का जो एक psychology होती है, like thumbnails were pretty simple to look, right? Like they were very simple in understanding and everything. But now when you look at the different kind of thumbnail, like तुम Aditya Saini, I mean, I don't know if you know him or not, but Aditya Saini के
Yeah, I
thumbnails
work with
देखो.
him.
Oh yeah, great. Then that's great. I mean, like his thumbnails are like quite intriguing in its own nature, right? So what we have observed in the YouTube space that like back 5 years back, the thumbnails were pretty simple in its nature, right? But now you look at, for example, like as you said that you work with Aditya Saini himself, right? So the kind of thumbnail that he makes, right? It's very difficult to just look down and break down that what must have been done, right? So what changes the psychology of a viewer basically? Like 5 years back, the viewer must have a different psychology, and now he gets a lot more creative with his thumbnail choices. So what changes that?
Okay, the main thing is the basic fundamental is remains same all the time.
Mm-hmm.
Just the way to represent is changes.
Okay.
कि people just 5 साल पहले भी लोग क्यूरियोसिटी पे क्लिक कर रहे थे, पाँच
Mm-hmm.
साल बाद भी क्यूरियोसिटी पे क्लिक करेंगे और 5 साल बाद भी करेंगे.
Mm-hmm.
दे जस्ट की वांट की क्यूरियोसिटी. द द थिंग मोस्ट इम्पोर्टेंट जो चेंज होता है वो चेंज होता है कि हाउ डू यू what represent that curiosity,
Mm-hmm.
how do you evoke that curiosity in audience mind.
Mm-hmm.
And earlier it used to be just random text, photo, that's it. Now it is mostly of a showing what's going on in the video.
Mm-hmm.
You use lot of illustration, lot of animation, lot of photos in the thumbnail
Mm-hmm.
to just convey कि okay, this is what going on in the thumbnail.
All right.
And I'll say कि हाँ representation ही change होता है mostly.
Acha, acha, great. So, like, just a out of the box thing came up, right? Like, you work with Aditya Seni and other YouTube creators. So, what are the different kind of creators that you actually work with?
I'm actually working with, I have worked with Nitish Rajput. I have worked with, do you know Eclipse Nova?
Yeah, yeah, of course.
I have
That,
worked with
yeah.
him. I have worked with Big Brain Co channel. I have worked with Ankur Warikoo team. So lots of
Oh,
creators.
great, great, great.
Demand mostly same रहता है. They just want कि people should watch their videos. Mostly demand is this कि I need a thumbnail which people would click on. That's
Okay.
it. Mostly उनका same demand रहता है. Sometimes they need a better theme, better illustration. Sometimes they need to experiment. They want experiment कि okay, I want this. Can you try this? Can you try this?
Hmm.
So mostly जो आइडियोलॉजी रहती है वो सेम ही रह रही होती है. इट्स जस्ट पर्टिकुलरली इंडिविजुअली डिफरेंट होती है अलग अलग क्रिएटर्स के ऊपर.
Okay.
If you are in the mostly entertainment niche, your ideology would be different. If you are in the documentary style niche, your ideology
Hmm.
would be different. So that's basic difference.
All right, great. And I mean, do they like, if we talk about the payment terms, right? Like, do they pay well, or is it like an underrated niche or
No,
anything
they
like
they
that?
they don't do pay less, I guess. in YouTube is a big community, and YouTubers are earning very, very much.
All right. So they
You
pay
can
sufficient,
really,
right? Like,
yeah, if you like, if you are really want to be thumbnail designer,
hmm
you an average thumbnail designer can earn around 30 to 40K easily. I'm saying
like
easily, like easily
like with each thumbnail, or is it like a monthly basis
per
or
month,
something per
per
month?
month
Okay, okay,
basis
okay, okay.
with 3 to 4 clients. But if you really are on the top 1%, you
Mm-hmm.
can literally earn around 10 to 20 lakhs
Per month easily.
per month. Not easily,
Yeah, I got. I mean, if
but
you are
you
in the,
can earn. Yeah.
yeah, if you
If
have that,
I'm saying 30, 40, you can earn easily.
all
If
right.
you are putting efforts, and if you are putting 6 to 8 hours every day,
Mm-hmm.
and you have 4 to 5 clients, and you have some kind of social media presence, people
Mm-hmm.
know you, then
Mm-hmm.
you can definitely earn this much.
All right, great, great, man. And yeah, with this, I mean, it was like great having conversation with you, and we will surely have another episode where we might break down other creators, different kind of thumbnails, right? And
Mhm.
so, like, what are your future plans in order to like go ahead with it? Like, are you going to continue with engineering
Uh,
or stuff?
yeah, I am continuing this field. I love this. I Mostly I'm changing my audience, or my clients' preference. Mostly I'm shifting to foreign-based client because
Hmm.
I'm done with this. Like I have worked with the mostly creators. I know कि किस type से growth कर सकते हैं, क्या क्या कर सकते हैं. I
Mm-hmm.
want to experiment new things with foreign creators, how they are thinking, how their audience watch, what are the things there, how is it different from Indian audience.
Mm-hmm.
Foreign audience is typically different. So
Okay.
I want to learn that thing. I want to learn IRL thumbnails, Mr. Beast type thumbnails.
Okay.
These is the few things that I'll think I'll do in the future.
All right, great. And what would be the piece of advice that you would love to give for people coming up in the industry and trying to break through it?
Designer field or
Yeah,
just
graphic
thumbnail
designing
designing?
as well as thumbnail designing in general.
You need three things. First, you need to have a curiosity that you want
Okay.
to learn this.
All right.
At least just have a curiosity to learn ki what's going on, what's new trend in this.
Mm-hmm.
कि आने वाले future trends क्या क्या हैं? Maybe it could be related to AI or anything.
Mm-hmm.
Second thing, you need social media presence.
Mm-hmm.
You can't be just like a ghost key. I am the best and I am ghost. I've seen a lot of designers who are very good at their skills, but they don't market their services. That's why they are not earning anything, or
Mm-hmm.
maybe they are just undervalued.
Mm-hmm.
So you need marketing, you need social media presence, whether it could be Instagram, it could be LinkedIn, it could be any software. Maybe you can just upload your video on YouTube. You
Mm-hmm.
need a little bit marketing. You need definitely need it. Second thing is, first is curiosity. Second is networking. Yeah, networking.
All right.
Social media branding and networking is really different.
Mm-hmm.
Networking really means कि you connect with lot of different designers, you can connect with different video editors, you
Mm-hmm.
connect with lot of YouTubers to
Mm-hmm.
get the idea कि how they are doing and what they are doing. You need
Absolutely.
networking also. I have got mostly my clients by networking.
Mm-hmm.
I किसी friend ने refer कर दिया, किसी ने refer कर दिया. Mostly I have got from networking. So
Mm-hmm.
you need a good network to have a
Absolutely.
pipeline of your clients. And one another thing, last thing is you need to evolve.
Mm-hmm.
You can't just say कि I have learned this, I'm done. You can easily get replaced. If
Mm-hmm.
not
That's so
AI, but
true.
a person will definitely replace. You need to learn continuously कि
Mm-hmm.
अच्छा मैंने आज ये सीखा, फिर ये फिर ये फिर ये फिर ये फिर ये. You need
Mm-hmm.
to do that. You can't be just कि stay there कि oh I have learned this, I can create this. Now I just do this. The
Mm-hmm.
future trend is like कि some day an AI will appear and it would remove your job. कि हाँ
Mm-hmm.
भाई, I can do that at $5. You are charging $10.
$10.
So
Yeah.
AI का mostly subscription is around $5 to $30.
Okay.
People would love to buy that. Like, कि हाँ, if
Ah.
I'm paying $20 to a designer, why
Hmm.
not $30 to a subscription and get all the unlimited thumbnails I want?
Yeah, yeah, yeah.
And
Also,
AI can हाँ,
yeah, yeah. Go ahead, please.
and AI can create what I would prompt in it.
Hmm.
मैं exactly जो prompt करूँगा, it will
Exactly.
give me the same exact same thing.
Hmm.
But डिजाइनर के साथ कैपेबिलिटी इशू हो जाएगा, कम्युनिकेशन गैप, दिस. Why would I go to a random designer if I can just go to AI? So
Hmm.
in any field you need to learn कि what is the future thing, what is the next big thing in your
Hmm.
field, in your niche.
All right.
You can try using AI to evolve your skills.
Yeah, so like that you mentioned about AI in this particular scenario, right? I would love to ask
Hmm.
ki, when we talk about AI, right? And people are
Hmm.
obviously scared that AI will replace and all that, right? So always believe that AI can actually help you out in whatever business you do, right? But
Hmm.
complete replacement of a human with an AI robot or AI algorithms is just not possible, right? And what are your views on the same, first of all? And
I am very.
yeah.
Yeah, yeah.
Yeah,
Carry
go
on.
ahead, go ahead, go ahead.
I think I would say I'm very not optimistic in this, very pessimistic in this. Ki, yeah, AI can replace humans.
Mm-hmm.
The thing is, na, just look at the development of AI.
Mm-hmm.
Just look at how AI is evolved. In the past 6 months, how GPT is evolving. In the past 1 year, how Midjourney has evolved.
Yeah, absolutely.
You can see कि एक साल में the growth is exponential.
Insane. Yeah, I know that.
कि
Yeah.
पहले वो 1 पे थे आज वो 100 पे है. Now think कि how they will evolve in the next 4 years. I'm
Mm-hmm.
not talking कि AI will replace human in the next 2 years, 3 years down the line.
Mm-hmm.
No, just next 10 years,
Mm-hmm.
20 years, 30 years,
Mm-hmm.
40. Look at the just exponential growth they have. कि
Mm-hmm.
we are learning कि अच्छा हम ऐसे 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 we are learning like this.
Mm-hmm.
They are learning like this. कि तो उनका exponential we cannot compare it ना. We cannot
uh,
compare it with a normal human.
uh-huh.
So I don't think whether I am right or wrong, but I am very pessimistic in this.
All right. Great, great, great. All right, then. With this, we end the podcast, Sumit. And thank you so much for being there with us and sharing all the great insights.
Yeah, I would really love to connect with you.